Hello. Welcome to OnPrintShop. This video is about store inventory management. So, in this video, we will see inventory option will allow private store customer to place orders with large printing quantity when they don't want all printing quantities to be shipped at one time. Private store customer can raise the request for required product quantity as per their needs from available product quantity and order. So, let's see how it works in admin or how we can configure it in admin. Just go to the admin, then go to store management, stores. So we can set inventory on the basis of product. Just click on action. Go to the configuration. Here, you can see the inventory, so here for the assigned products we can set inventories, so if any of customer who will place orders either of 2,500 quantities, or more than 2,500 quantities, then he can activate or he can ask for the inventory option, where the minimum shipping quantity would be 1,000. Cost per unit print, like if the 1,000 cards are shipped out of 2,500, then 1,500 cards will be remaining, and the storage charges for 1,500 cards is $0.01 per unit cost. Then shipment handling cost. Let's say if a customer asks shipping 2 or 3 times, then each time he has to pay this shipping handling cost, then storage days will be 90 days. So this inventory will be automatically discarded after the 90 days. Now, you can just click on Save. So that's how you can manage an inventory for a business card. Let's see how it works at a front end, or how the customer places an order, and how exactly it works. So here we are on the product, where customer can select a business card. Click on Customize button. Click on Continue. If you see the 100 quantities, if you will click on Inventory Yes, the system will not allow because the minimum 2,500 printing quantity must be needed. Now if you select 2,500 quantities, then the inventory option will work. Okay, so you can see from 2,500 quantities, you can ask for minimum shipment quantities 1,000, and handling cost will be $15. So here, you can see the total cost is $55.99. You can just tick on Terms and Condition, and click on Save and Add to Cart. So, here you can see and you can just make the payment. Order will be placed, as you will click on Complete Order. And if you click on View Details, you can see it. So, here you can see the inventory. Let's say, out of 2,500, 1,000 quantity has placed order, and 1,500 are remaining. So whenever next time customer wants, he can just come on the same page, and click on Continue button, and he can ask for the remaining quantities at the same time. If you go in admin side, so in the admin the inventory is also mentioned over here. At this page the printer can see where and at which time he has asked for the remaining quantities. So this is the way you can manage the inventories. If you have any queries, please connect with us at support@onprintshop.com. Thank you.